Welcome to today's trade recap. Today we had a pretty fast day with a pretty good price action, I think. I will delete everything from here. So yeah, we are, I don't know, the markets are crazy. We are bullish since I don't know how long. Every day is going up, but today it seems like we have the first bearish day in a lot of weeks, days, I don't know. But I will go through it directly here. So at Asia session, we had, I don't know, a pretty hard sell-off, but we bought it again up. Then we had a consolidation phase here, and in London session also small moves up, but not a pretty good move. Then pre-market, we dropped a little bit after we made all-time high, and then you see there are like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 highs here. So I thought, okay, this is a good liquidity cluster from where we could get a pretty good down move. And like you see, we got this down move and we catch entry and we catch trade and made money. So yeah, we opened New York session, we opened and we moved up, we swept. It's a pretty perfect textbook trade. So New York opens, moves up, is manipulation to swap this liquidity here. We swap this liquidity, we break structure to the downside with this candle here. I don't let it at the chart, but with this candle here we break structure here, and I can delete this because we don't need it also. And then we have a pretty good fair value gap. We come back into this fair value gap. We didn't come over this 50% level of the fair value gap like you see here, and we react from it, and you can make an entry, and drawdown is sell side liquidity, something like that or that. Pretty textbook trade, perfect trade. My entry is not perfect because you could make your entry after this closing candle here, but I don't know, this I was a little bit scary that the candle closed so I waited another candle, and the second candle was also bearish, so I thought, okay, now I made my entry. Made my entry stop loss above the 50% of this fair value gap, and take profit was the sell side liquidity. I entered with 4 micros and made $460, so pretty much a perfect trade, perfect entry. Not a perfect entry, but a good trade. The price action was pretty good. It's a textbook price action, liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap entry, sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity as a target. That's everything you need for trade. Of course, it's not so simple every time, but sometimes, like you see today, it is this simple, like you learned it, like I learned it. But yeah, I don't know, there's nothing more to say. Pretty good trade and I'm happy with it. Yeah, I close the market now and we see us tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.